In this video, we're going to have a look at how to integrate Zotero into your reading and annotation workflow with your digital documents. So the first thing we need to do to be able to move files between Zotero database and a device we like to read on, for example, an iPad or an Android tablet or the phone, is to install an add-on called Zotfile. It's also free. You can just Google Zotfile or go to zotfile.com. And then once you go on that webpage, simply download the add-on to your computer. Then inside Zotero, you need to install the add-on. So once you open Zotero, go to Tools and choose Add-ons here. And that will open an add-on interface. And then here you need to go to the Settings menu and click Install Add-on from File. Navigate to the file, open it, and that then lets you install it. It's a very simple process. Click Install here, and then restart Zotero. Once you've done that, then you're ready to use Zotfile. Before you can use it to actually share your files with your with the tablet, move them to the tablet, you have to configure it properly. So we're going to do that by going again to the Tools menu, but now there is a new option there. It's called Zotfile Preferences. In Zotfile Preferences, move to Tablet Settings, and then here you want to say, I want to use Zotfile to send and get files from a tablet. And the last thing you have to do is choose a folder that will synchronize. So you want to choose a folder ideally that is in Dropbox or OneDrive or Google Drive, and then whenever the files are sent to that, then it will be synchronized to the cloud and you can easily get them onto your reading device anywhere that you want. So let's have a look at how the annotation workflow actually works in practice. So we're going to add one of our files into our tablet. So I'm just going to click on the file that I want to move, open this, then I'm going to rename that file to make sure that I know what it's like on the tablet. So right click, choose rename file, then I right click on it again, go to manage attachments and say send to tablet. And then once I've done that, Zotero or Zotfile has taken the file from the Zotero folder and copied a version of it into the folder that I am synchronizing with the cloud that I can move the files to my tablet from. So once I've done that, I can go to my iPad or my Android or my phone and start annotating the file there. So this is an example of what I do. I like to use an app called Liquid Text, and I simply annotate it. I can even make some notes in there, and once I've all done that, I can save it and synchronize it back to OneDrive or Dropbox, and to make sure that my annotations are saved and I can put them back into Zotero. So once I've done all of that and I want to have my annotations back in Zotero, I will open Zotero, right click on that same file that we previously sent to tablet, then go to Manage Attachments, choose Get from Tablet, and Zotero will simply look into that folder where it's previously put the file and get the latest version back and put it in here. Now, of course, I did all the work with annotations and I would like to be able to put them into my writing somewhere, so I can do that very easily. I can right click on the file again, and this time I will choose Manage Attachments again and Extract Annotations. Now, depending on how many annotations I have and how long it is, it may take a minute to load. So Zotero is working on that, getting the annotations from the PDF, which means all the highlights are now going to be entered into a note, and you can see all the things that I highlighted in the document are now put as a note into Zotero. So I always have all of my notes from all the things that I've been reading in one place. So that is how simple this can be. So if you take a bit of time to set up your workflow properly, then you don't then have to worry about making sure you don't forget any of your annotations, and it's a lot easier to put your notes and comments straight into your documents. In the next and final video, we're going to have a look at some more features of Zotero that will allow us to collaborate with others, and also how we can synchronize our Zotero database across devices and back it up.